Aw, yeah, beach time, yeah. Myrtle Beach, bitch. Guys, I'm getting ready to go down to the beach now. So, I'll probably take you guys down with me later. See you later. Look at that sandwich. Ooh, yeah, we got some stuff in there. Ooh, yum. He's making a sandwich, too. You guys want to see the beach? Focus. Oh, look at the beach. Look at the lady's butt in the pool. Beach, butt, beach, beach. Okay. Let's go eat my sandwich now, sandwich now, sandwich now. I mean, since I'm gonna be eating this, I'm putting it down. So there's a bite. Yay! Bubble bath!
Open your car so we can put that thing up in front of our...
Oh, that margarita be poppin'. That margarita be poppin', girl. Hey, everyone. I realized there was none of my family members or anyone. And no one at the pool. And there's no one outside. And you guys are dirty, so I'm gonna rub you on my nipple. But anyway, there was no one outside or anything, so I made a margarita. Well, a third margarita. I thought I'd come down to the pool. If there's people in the pool, I'm gonna be mad. You guys are about to see if there's people, though, with me, because we're going in. My camera's not going in, but we are. Woo! It's so dark out, it's crazy. It is, like, really dark out. There's something colorful in the sky down there. Alright, we're just gonna sit on the edge, okay? The water is nice. Feels nice to me, at least. Oh my god, there was like a leaf in the water, and it scared me so much. I thought it was like a lizard or something, because it's late. So, yeah. Today was a fun day. When I go back inside, I'm gonna, get a bath and stuff. Well, a shower. I don't have time to take a bath. I'm gonna try to move you guys without getting you wet. I don't know how, though. Okay, I'm gonna put you on a water wing. Successfully made it to the other side of the pool. Yay. Ugh. It looks so nice out though, like the moon and everything. You guys can't see it, but the stars and the moon. Talking. I'm really excited because tomorrow and Wednesday I will be filming for Marry the Night, which is nice, which will be nice because then I'll have another video for y'all. What? It's not in the pool. No. I'ma do a hairstyle. I think that one was much nicer. So, I think I'm gonna get out in another 20. PJ loves margaritas. They don't show up super duper because they're straight. Hey everyone, I'm getting ready to go to bed. So that basically means I'm gonna put my things away, talk to Nick maybe. He said no. Edit this video and probably end up watching One Girl 5 Gays on the internet. Because that is the best thing that I have to watch because this TV sucks ass.
Can I watch it too?
Sure, if you want to.
Can you set it up there?
No, I don't get Wi-Fi in the other room, but...
How would I watch it
Anywho, I'm gonna edit this, watch 1G, 5G, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. You can check those out at pjgagax.tumblr.com. Good night. Bye.